Do you have outlets in your home that aren't working? Here's what to know and what to do. A GFCI is a device designed to protect against electrical shock. If it detects a problem, it will trip. You'll find GFCIs near water sources like kitchens, bathrooms, outside, or near pool and spa equipment. An indicator light will let you know whether or not the GFCI has power going to it, whether or not it's tripped, or if it needs to be replaced. So your outlets aren't working. First thing to do is to check if it's tripped. If it is, press the reset button in, and you'll hear a pop. Now the GFCI has been reset. If that works, great. If it doesn't, sometimes multiple outlets are protected by one GFCI. Look around the area and see if there are any other GFCIs that needs to be reset. If you're still having no luck, head to your electrical panel. Hopefully your panel is clearly labeled, but if it's not, you're gonna have to take a look for a breaker in the tripped position. To reset the breaker, push the lever all the way off and all the way on. Once you've reset the breaker, go back and check your outlets to see if they're working. If nothing else appears to be tripped, then it's best to call a licensed electrical contractor, as you may have other electrical issues.